Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. So I hope you are doing well. I am fantastic. So today I want to talk about a very powerful book, The Power of Subconscious Mind. The power of your subconscious mind, because when we start to learn spoken English and we start to practice spoken English, so for this we need reading, listening, speaking, writing, all these things practice required. And for reading, you need a book. So I think that why not I suggest a book to you for your reading practice. So today I came with a new spoken English practice video, and in this video I will be talk about a powerful book, and this book is self-help book. So why self-help book? I love reading books, and especially self-help books, because the self-help books help me to motivate, to feel positive and inspire me to begin and to start something new, to scale something new skills. So that's why I read and I love self-help books. So recently I started reading a book, that is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I have read already this book, but now I again started it because a book teaches me something new every time when I read it. So that's why I want to recommend this book to you, because I want to that thing you can also improve yourself, your personality, your spoken English. And by reading this book you improve your mental state also. You think positive, you will be feel positive, you will be confident. So that's why I am here. So let's start. So the book Power of Your Subconscious Mind, this book written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And in this book, author talk about the power of our mind, and they divide our mind in two parts: subconscious mind and conscious mind. So conscious mind is a mind that thinking, logics and do work consciously, and another mind that work all the time when you sleep, that is subconscious mind. Author says that subconscious mind control your habits, beliefs, emotions, health and success. So that's why everyone say that be positive, say positive words and affirm positive words. This is the reason behind this, because according to the author, if you think positive you become like that. If you think about negative words, then you will be negative. And this is the main message of the book. If you think positive, then you become positive, and you will manifest success, health, emotions, wealth, everything. And if you it means subconscious mind create our reality. Whatever we think in whole day, that we will be become like that. So that's why aware of these things, and improve your learning, improve your spoken English practice. So please read this book, because after reading this book you feel positive, you feel confident, and your state of mind is different. You think positively, you use positive words every time. Not every time, because we are habitual of thinking negatively. That's why it takes time, but slowly you improve yourself, you feel positive, you do all these things and you feel different energy. So there, because of this book, so that's why I recommend. And another most important reason is that this book is very write is in very simple language, so every beginner can read this. And in this book author explain with easy examples, so you can understand it this book easily. And I will share you my experience after reading this book. I believe myself now. I say positive sentence to myself like I am confident, I am successful, I am happy, I am healthy. So slowly I attract all these things and manifest. I think everybody believe in God, everybody believe in universe, everybody believe in manifestation. So this book all about this, because words are that thing that create your reality. If we use positive words, positive sentences, then we feel positive energy, we action positively, we do all these things in a different way towards our success. And if you feel negative and if you use negative words, then your energy low, your confidence already low, and you don't take action in right direction, you don't achieve your success. So that's why it is important. And so this is all about this book. I share with you a little bit of about this book. Please just start reading, and if you don't understand language of this book, then never mind, it takes time, but you keep reading and keep learning. So thank you so much for watching this video and watching my spoken English practice series. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. Let's start learn. Be positive, speak confidently, keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you so much.